This is the new bridge, which was just barely being made when I saw it last time, 15 years ago. If you've ever been to Hoover Dam to get an idea of how big this is really scary. I don't like heights. But that's just down to there, then that's Hoover Dam level. And that goes right down to the water. That's what powers Las Vegas. Get an idea of scale. Oh, that's my finger. There you go. There's a car. I'm literally trembling, so I hope the camera's not too bad. This is scary. There are cars down there. I know I sound like a big wimp, but it's the road, the entire bridge is bouncing under my legs. Or my legs are bouncing, I'm not sure. There we go.